In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in a document and save your changes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open or upload your file, mark important sections with the highlight or markup tool, fine-tune the look of your highlights, and save or export the document so your changes stay put. Start by opening your document in your preferred app, or upload it to your cloud editor if you work in a browser. If you're using an online platform, wait for the upload to complete and make sure you have editing or annotation permissions. It's a good idea to create a copy before you begin if you want to keep an original version untouched. Once the document is open and fully loaded, you're ready to mark it up. Next, activate the Highlight or Markup tool. Different apps label this slightly differently. Look for Highlight, Markup, Annotate, or Comment in the toolbar, usually near the top or along a sidebar. In PDF tools, you may need to switch into Comment or Annotate mode first. On mobile, a long press on the text often reveals a highlight option. If you don't see it right away, check the View or Tools menu, or use the search bar in your editor's Help menu. Now select the text you want to highlight. Click and drag across the exact words or sentences you want to emphasize. Double-clicking typically selects a single word. Triple-clicking often grabs a full line or paragraph. On touch screens, drag the blue handles to adjust your selection precisely. If your selection jumps or grabs too much text, zoom in to make finer adjustments before applying the highlight. If your app offers highlight settings, take a moment to adjust them. Pick colors that make sense for your workflow. For example, yellow for key points, green for action items, and blue for references. You can often control opacity to make the text beneath easier to read, or switch styles to underline or strike through if that fits your purpose better. Many tools also let you attach a short note to a highlight. Use this to explain why the text matters or to add a reminder. Choose colors with good contrast, and keep your scheme consistent across the document. Finally, save or export your document so your highlights are preserved. If you're working locally, use Save or Save As to create a version you can revisit. In cloud editors, confirm that autosave is on and wait a moment for changes to sync. To lock in the highlights across different devices or apps, export to PDF. When exporting, check options to include annotations or comments if you added notes. Reopen the saved or exported file to verify your highlights appear exactly as intended.